How to turn on or turn off notifications, schedule summary on the iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, we tap on settings, then scroll down and tap on notifications. From here, tap on schedule summary. Then at the top, tap on the schedule summary toggle button to turn it on. Here said bundle non-urgent notifications and receive them in a summary at convenient times. So here tap on the continue button and then choose the apps for summary. So here we can select phone, Google Photos, tips, wallets. Tap on show more to view more apps. So select the apps that you want to use as a schedule summary and then tap on add apps. Then tap on turn on notification summary. And that's it. So here we can choose to show next summary or to turn it off. So here says show the next summary in notification center before the schedule time. And down here it will give you a list of all the apps will be used for schedule summary. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.